Coming up on this episode of Nick TV.
What's in it?
What you thought was just chocolate?
Yeah, what is it?
And you know how much they were?
How much?
$10.
A piece?
Yes.
Let's say get that.
What's up, y'all? We back with another review, and I've been looking and searching so far and so wide for this Dubai chocolate. We have Dubai chocolate, y'all. When I tell you it's expensive, oh my God, I can't believe I paid for it. And it better be worth every penny. And yes, I said penny. Right.
You know who it
Don't
is.
get all this part. You can have some of it.
You get it in.
You don't want to?
You get that. Oh, what's in it?
What you thought was just chocolate?
Yeah, what is it?
No, you gonna try. You should never say it's pistachios and something. You don't like how it smells? Mama, why would you say that? I'm shaking. She's gonna make me look like baby boo boo. Cheers.
I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah. Like controller.
I want your lip. You should have got one of them. I thought it was just all chocolate.
I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money.
You working?
Ooh.
I don't like it. They don't have solid. Look at the stuff in there. The stuff is like,
Mama.
Don't get my husband that.
And while she said that, he actually liked it now.
It's an acquired taste.
I can't acquire it. That's it. That's what make it horrible. If it was solid.
What is this? I know it's pistachios. Let me see your phone. Did they know?
I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's in my pocket, though.
I don't know. I like it. Apparently I do. Let's look this up.
Don't waste your money.
I ain't wasting mine.
Apparently not. You eating it.
I don't know what it
your
is.
lip and everywhere.
What is in Dubai chocolate? Pistachio,
I like pistachio.
milk chocolate confection filled with pistachio cream and crunchy cotta. I don't know how to say that.
Don't eat nothing you can't say.
Katafi. Katafi pastry, which is shredded phyllo dough.
That's what I get for wanting to eat everything.
A shredded phyllo pastry that's toasted until golden and crispy, and then mixed with a creamy pistachio filling. I don't mind it.
Because first of all, it didn't even give off a taste to me. It's just the texture that I really think that bothered me. But back to the video.
Let me see how to say this word.
She nasty.
I know this ain't got my stomach rumbling.
You should name it.
Katafi. What you touching it for if you don't like it?
I'm just looking at it.
Katafi.
Give me a piece without the stuff on it, just chocolate. Maybe I just like the chocolate.
The whole thing filled with it.
Break it open. Like a corner. You know, all the corners got it in there too.
Yeah. I don't know what about it I like. It kind of tastes like,
I just don't like it. I'm like a chocolate on it. I give it a 0. And a -0.
I don't know what it remind me of, but yeah, I don't mind it.
Let's see a big daddy like it.
I'm gonna give this one to my daddy. See if he likes it. But what my rating? I rated a 8.9. So a 9.
You made this?
I don't think it's nasty, but I don't think it's like, oh my God. It's just something to eat.
I don't sure you got the right one.
Yeah, girl. I don't see the hype about it at all. And I'm also not wasting my $10. It's probably wrong to me to eat it. I'll look.
You know, when he tastes this, you're gonna be eating the rest of this too, cause I don't think he gonna like that.
Do you even taste chocolate?
Yeah, it's not good though. It's not milk chocolate.
And he said milk chocolate.
That's not what it is. It's the chocolate.
When I'm editing this, if I figure out what this remind me of, I'm gonna do a voiceover and let y'all know.
Still can't figure it out, so I don't know, y'all.
Y'all gonna see me eat this whole bar. Give me 1 second. Got one more bite. It's worth me biting.
I need to start looking at what you get. Like, what's in it?
This is the same person up here eating some pickle cotton candy.
And I need to go get some more. I need some more. I love that.
All right. Let me drink a sip of water.
Yeah.
And then I'm parched.
Thank
you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell for notification. She's in distress over here. Something going on with her. But we appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Shout out to the new followers. Make sure you go tell somebody, share the video, and tell somebody to subscribe to our channel so we can grow. And check out the new video that's coming. I'm back on schedule as of now. Dog, don't hold me to it. The schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And we may go live throughout the week if we feel like it. But yeah, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.